At Renaissance Downtowns USA, we have finally connected triple bottom line real estate development with a visualization and analytical tool that can not only expedite approval timeframes, but also create unprecedented community support for this type of redevelopment strategy never seen before. We will share our vision in a way that is sure to create excitement with each and every viewer. And now, for a general overview of our V&A tool, here are a few words from Gerhard Mayer, Principal at GGLO Architecture. Gerhard?
I'm an architect and an urbanist, and I am very much involved with urban development on the West Coast here. And I see the objections that are levied against urban proposals, no matter how good they are. And I think I have been looking for a tool like this for a long time that can sort of cut through on the spot the objections and address concerns in a factual manner and move development along while not leaving people out of the process. And I think this tool has the potential to remake the entire industry in a very profound way. So I think this is a fantastic start. We're very much on our way.
Thank you, Gerhard. And now a few words from Louis Giacalone from H2M, one of the leading architectural and engineering firms in the tri-state area, on his assessment of this tool.
My name is Louis Giacalone, registered architect with over 50 years in the profession. As Deputy Marketing Director at H2M, a firm of over 500 architects, planners, and engineers, I constantly face community and municipal resistance to preparation and presentation of major urban projects. Although we can demonstrate the project benefits to the community, it is often difficult to respond to comments and questions without doing further analysis and having multiple presentations. With the V&A tool, we will be able to demonstrate at presentations a real-time analysis of the economic, social, and environmental benefits of complex projects. This tool will be a game changer for developers, for municipalities, and planners.
And now, for those of you that would like to get into the more technical aspects of our V&A tool, Kevin DeVito of Renaissance V&A Technologies will take you on a much deeper dive of this game-changing tool.
The V&A tool is a combination of software, 3D modeling, and domain knowledge that is serving the purpose of moving planning and design approvals, concepts, and implementation forward in urban environments, especially urban renewal. The reason why we're successful with this methodology is that we bring together domain knowledge, software, the 3D modeling, and big data. And the proof is a recent win that we had using the software as part of our presentation, an element of our presentation for the Carousel Mall redevelopment project. So this is sort of like a stunning visualization of, the way architects approach urban renewal visually. And what we want to do is we want to provide that type of visualization that's familiar and effective in terms of our planning designs. But the unique aspect of this is it can be changed on the fly. It's a real three-dimensional environment. It's not a screenshot or a video. It's the actual 3D models themselves that actually carry with them intelligence and information on the impact that they have on the urban landscape, including economic, social, and environmental. The purpose of the tool, again, is to provide the economic impact of the designs and then create an iterative process that allows for changes to be made on those designs and then visually presented in a accelerated way. So it's not meeting every week or every other week. It's literally turning things around in the meetings themselves or within an hour or 2 hours. This is a per building analysis, one of our examples. As you can see, the building has certain use types, office data, hotel, and so on, and the impact of the jobs that it's created in the economics in a general way. And of course, because we're 3D visualization, we can do virtual tours, and we can bring in GIS data that allows other information, city information, and other data to be deployed so it can all be visualized. Taking a deeper dive into the 3D modeling work we do, we used side effect software and procedural modeling to design our buildings and create scripts that allow for different types of buildings to be modeled and then delivered to our visualization system. And those criteria are based on economics, building types, the square footage of the area, and the overall plan. Ultimately, what we're going for is what you see here, which is real-time data being deployed as we're making real-time changes in the buildings themselves. Our goal is that we have a funding objective that we can discuss at a later time, and the use of those proceeds are to sort of expand our platform from a version 1 to a version 2, expanding our library, our cloud backend, and for general working capital. Who are we targeting? We're targeting really a new generation of urban developers and planners, the ones that are sort of thinking out of the box and are looking at a broader approach to urban design. Sometimes these individuals need to push the cities who have their own objectives, and so what we try to do is provide a balance of information and visualization, and also our philosophy to satisfy this marketplace that we're working in right now. Our 3D modeling apps include Houdini Engine, Nextbase, AutoCAD, and other modeling software. So we use best in breed of modeling tools to deploy. Our analysis is built on traditional spreadsheets and analytics, but what we do that's unique is that we balance out environmental, social, and economic impacts, and then show the visualization as it relates to that. Building for urban nodes, again, just to summarize, is a combination of the content management and visualization software, the 3D modeling, utilizing external data, this big data, external APIs, and then building out that data for the city. So the current status of the project or the program is using Cesium, Nextbase, and Esri software as part of our platform tools, and then our data creation is basically based on a number of different software tools: SketchUp, SideEffects, ArcGIS, and so on, and also data from cities. But we all know it's all about the data. So we have tools that allow you to combine data schemas, data relationships, organizations. We have expertise in organizing data. So that can be changed, it can be modified, and then it's visualized. I won't spend time on this, but this is the technology stack that we're currently operating on. And this is a summary of our external data sources that we can utilize for any specific program. And of course, that list goes much, much longer than that. We also have a workflow that comes right out of 2D AutoCAD, which is a functional method for working with architects and planners so they can interact with our tool more effectively with their own design software. And this is a nice visualization of how we establish our LOD3 buildings, which are our primary branded buildings in our visualization. So we establish what the building is, we export that building out, and we load it into the tool itself. Our wish list of GIS data and city information and demographic and outside data that we use is here.
Thank you, Kevin. Now that we have shared our vision with you for the development tool of tomorrow, we encourage you to contact us for any further information you may desire.